This is a cute dog. Nice.
Hello, dingoes.
He went in a house.
Hello, friend.
Hi.
Wait, that was talk to us.
Yeah, these ones talk.
I don't know.
He's gone. How big is you?
Where you going? Camera shy?
Camera shot.
You camera shy. Pretty birdie. Hello. He is. Oh my
God.
goodness.
Do you talk? Hello. Cartoon, but I can't think of
Oh
what
my.
movie it is. Aren't their names on the rooster over there walking around?
Oh yeah, you're showing off, aren't you? Look at him dance. Showing off.
Hi.
Oh, hello. Oh, dog, nice ring you got there. You blinging. You're blinging.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
He said, come back.
Bye bye.
Hi.
Bye-bye.
No, hi.
She's really trying to get your...
Oh my god.
Wow.
Okay, that goes. Talk. Talk.
What's the matter, buddy? Are you dancing? Whoa.
I meant to do that.
The jellyfish jam.
What? Oh. You just poop? Hello? Oh, you're posing, aren't you?
Guys as pets,
Crocodile life.
but they have a reputation of being extremely overly aggressive.
Okay.
They're even more aggressive than saltwater or Nile crocodiles
Just a reputation.
because they're so small. They got to protect themselves against so many things in the
Yeah.
natural environment.
And how do crocodiles get that reputation?
I got another show at 2 o'clock if y'all will come back and see more animals.
Thanks, Josh. Thanks, Josh. Take care.
I'll probably bring something else different besides the anteater because he's a little fed up with today. I bring him out once a day, kind of like the star, but then he wants to just lay up and nap the rest of the day.
So his tongue, does it come out and wrap around what it tries to eat?
For the most part, no. I mean, I guess it can, but it just sticks out and it's very sticky at the end. And so imagine how, like a frog's tongue, you ever watch one of them slow-mo videos of a frog grabbing something?
Yes.
Imagine that, but with a termite at the end. They don't even have a mouth that hinges open like ours do. It's just a little flap. They just drops down for their tongue to come out. That's it. But at times, depending if they have gas in their system, they will spray while they use the restroom. And so instead of a normal poop, it comes out like a blast. Yeah. And so we'll actually have to go and scrub their walls every once in a while